I'm Sue Grant from Berthon. We are just going to see a video of the Challenge 67 Whirlwind, one of a fleet of unbreakable yachts that originally sailed around the planet against prevailing winds and currents. She's now working in a sailing school in France. She's looking very, very good for a 30-year-old steel yacht with stainless steel deck, and she's ready for more oceans. Welcome to Challenge 67 Whirlwind. She's a yacht that we know very well, seen here doing what she does best. One of an amazing fleet of yachts commissioned by Chay Blyth to race around the world against prevailing winds and currents. These yachts are epic and virtually unbreakable. So here you see Whirlwind on a grey February day in France, out of the commission for the winter and waiting for the new season. As with all of her sisters, she's built of high tensile steel, shell plating over T-bar longitudinals and angle ring frames. The deck is stainless steel. These yachts are famously known as the British steel boats, and British Steel provided all of the steel and stainless steel. So that's a very stable superstructure material and means you don't have to worry about corrosion and stuff like that. This yacht is very original and very much as she was when she was sailing as a challenge yacht. She was commissioned in 1992, so we're just going to hop on board. Very non-slip TBS deck covering. It only needs painting with anti-slip. Just goes on and on and on. The rigs were built by Atlantic Spars for all of the challenge yachts. And here's her anchoring arrangement. When these boats were commissioned, and in fact when they were sold from the challenge business, they had no anchors, no windlasses, on the basis that they weren't planning to stop. So she's now much easier to manage. Triple spreader rig, in cutter. She's got recent sales, they're by Quantum, 2019, so you've got main, staysail, big Genoa and spinnaker. There are also some other older sails around. It was intended that these yachts would sail with 14, so you won't see any furling electric winches or anything like that. They are perfect for mile-munching, for sail training, and really do look after their crew. Here's the helm station. Very safe and protected. See how the helm curls around you. Very comforting when you're in the Southern Ocean, I would think. And there are readouts for the electronics on this box, which was originally for life rafts. Now let's have a look down below. Okay, so this is the main access, and there is a small pilot house here with chart table area and seating to port. Very snug. Here's the chart table. She's running on Raymarine E120 chart plotter. She's got ST60 instrumentations, Navtex, AIS. No autopilot, doesn't need it. There are plenty of people on board. And then here, this is a locker for drying life jackets and oilies and stuff. There is an outlet for the Eberspacher heater in there, and beyond it is the generator. It's a mermaid. And then we're going down below, so you walk aft into the main saloon. You've got a gas cooker and also an oven, stainless steel work areas. She's got everything that you need in terms of eating for 14 people. You see the fridge just over to the right. And here is the seating area, which is huge, light and airy. It's actually a lovely place to be. And aft of this is sleeping accommodation, typically for captain and mate. On some of the challenge yachts, this bulkhead was made into a watertight bulkhead to bring the boat to Category 0. So nice and snug. Each side. Quite light, you've got ventilation below. And then that door is into the engine space. She's got a Mermaid 130 horsepower 6-cylinder main engine. You can also get at it from the top where we're walking now. And now we're going to go down into the forward accommodation. So these cabins on each side are mirror image. And here we're going into a 3-berth cabin. You see the storage bins. It was intended that there would be enough storage for every member of crew to have enough space to be at sea for 52 days. The Pacific is a very big place. And here we're going to have a look on the starboard side. Mirror image, very much the same. You see she's got laminate floors. These very, very early adopters, and they're still doing it. They really are very, very durable. And then we've got 2 mirror image upper and lower berth cabins. Very snug. Same storage idea. Here's the cabin's brother to starboard. These cabins, of course, are in absolutely the right part of the ship in terms of motion. And then you walk forward and you've got 2 mirror image heads compartments with showers. No hairdryers, no electric loos, nothing like that. Just very straightforward. Shower drains take the shower water away. Just having another look at that before we have a look at the sail locker. Really good access onto the deck. You can see the anchor windlass motor. She's got a 2019 3D tender V-shape, and that's the Yamaha that goes with her. All of her sheets and guys and stuff are here as well. Lots of sails. Very easy to handle the sails with this big hatchway. These yachts really are quite iconic. You're looking at a crash bulkhead in front there. So, Challenge 67 Whirlwind for blue water sailing.